What you doing, Lulu? What are you doing?
It's upside down.
Now you gonna make a snow angel? Ooh.
See what's happening?
What's happening?
See, look.
What are you doing?
Making snow angels.
Was it fun?
Yeah. Yeah, my snow angel is finished.
Let's see. Ooh, well done. That's very nice.
Do you see my nice snow angel?
Now you're gonna make these snowballs?
I'm gonna make the head. My snow angel. Here, my snow angel is finished.
Well done.
I'll make another snow angel. Or it'll be good to make my name.
You gonna make your name?
Yeah, in the snow.
Okay. How do you spell your name?
LOUISA.
Very good. Alright, say bye-bye, camera.
Bye-bye,